Did you tell him about the wires? Is he watching himself? We actually had those moved up.
The wires?
Yeah, had to put a mast. The town wanted them 20 feet.
Really?
22 tons, right? Oh yeah.
Go up, go up. Oh, is it vibrating? Nice, the vibrators.
So it has a built-in vibrator in to get all the rest of it out. That is really cool. Well, he already dropped off 20 tons, and that's what the guys are spreading right now. This is really exciting for us to see this. We know that concrete is right around the corner. Matter of fact, concrete is tomorrow. We would be eternally grateful if you would like and subscribe, and we hope to bring you a lot of this. So here's that second 20 ton. If you don't already know, I'm sure most of you people do. Boy, stone's expensive. What they really get you on is the trucking, but we needed it. We've come this far, and we're certainly not going to stop now. And they used all but maybe a couple of yards, which I'm going to use later on, that you'll see with the new 2038R. This guy was really good with the skid steer. Did a really good job. You can see them grading up to my center drain. It's 12 by 12, drains off to your right. Really pleased the town didn't give me too much of a hard time about this. I thought they might go for an oil water separator or something like that. They didn't. I've just got to drain into a French drain, which I think is very, very reasonable request, and happy to do it. All right, all done. And in the morning, we'll have concrete. Right now, I got a little bit of stone left, so I'm gonna move it and put it along this side, where I'm a little low on stone on that side. And yeah, drain is in. Yeah, can't wait. Stick with us. So this is kind of monumental. This is actually the first thing that I've done with the 2038R. I don't mind telling you, I was pretty nervous. As you can see, there is not much clearance. I'm driving a tractor that I've basically never used before, which is significantly bigger than the 1025R. I talked about when I had traded in the 1025R, that was one thing I was really going to miss, was the maneuverability, the ability to get into tight spaces through tight gates and things like that. But I opted for more power. I will say this tractor is incredible. I mean, everything you do is basically at an idle. I did use the auto throttle in here, so able to pick up a little ground speed when I needed to, and also when I was attacking the pile, to be able to push down on the accelerator and get a little bit more responsiveness out of the tractor itself. But worked great. Leveled out the side and spread the balance of the stone just really tight. But again, I am loving this tractor. Yeah, guilty. You may have noticed it. I've got no rear ballast. I still have yet to put my wheel spacers on. They're 3-inch rear wheel spacers that are going to be going on. You guys will see that coming up real soon. So I also have not filled the tires, just simply because I don't want to have to deal with taking those super heavy tires on and off. So I'm going to do the wheel spacers first. Then we'll fill the tires with rim guard. I should have put my ballast box on for this work, though, especially working with stone. Just not smart, but not the first unintelligent thing that I've done while operating a tractor. Shame on me. I want to talk for just a second about the pole barn. I'm no spring chicken, and I have waited my whole life to own something like this. I feel unbelievably blessed. People ask me, what are you going to use it for? It's 1,200 square feet, 30 feet by 40 feet. Why such a big barn? Well, obviously I've got the 2 tractors, but also I've got a pretty large shop in my basement. I showed it in a previous video. Everything from the shop in the basement is coming up, and that's just going to be so nice to be able to work on equipment and various things and not have to be running up and down the stairs every time I brought the wrong wrench up. And also for you guys, I want a place that I can work on things, do some YouTube videos, hopefully with some great content, and not just in the summertime but in the winter. You're going to see coming up shortly how we get ready for winter around here with all the equipment and different things, garden and so on and so forth. And then in the spring, how we get ready to get back to tractor business. So we hope you find that interesting. I'm really looking forward to it. These guys were great. Just one guy nicer than the next. Did a super job. Took their time. I am so happy with the work. I'd recommend them to anybody. I hope you're enjoying this series. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe.